be true to who you are.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Daja. I'm back with another mother freaking video. And for today's video, guys, I don't even want y'all to judge me at this point. Like, just don't judge me, okay? But I spent at least $1,000 on Amazon. It was probably a little over that. My boyfriend's staring at me right now because he don't know how much I spent. Okay, before we even get into this video and I show y'all everything that I bought, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, smack that bell, smack that subscribe button so you become part of the notification gang. And let me show y'all what your girl bought. So we're gonna start with the small, okay? This actually wasn't even from Amazon. And I actually don't even want to open this. I don't know why it's here. I don't want to open this one yet. This is actually for a different video. So you ain't see that. Okay. This, let me see what this is. Ooh, okay. So recently I started scrapbooking. Where's my scrapbook? Okay. So here's my scrapbook. Let me see. So, you know, I have like different things, you know, that's me. And then that's me again. This is my favorite page, honestly. Let me bring it up there. Okay. Got that page of me and my booski. Let me see. Me and my best friends. There is another best friend that I have, but she does not like taking pictures. So she ain't in it. My sister. I'm probably not even gonna keep this part in the video. I don't know. We're gonna see. Alright, these are my other friends. Okay. And that's really it. I just started scrapbooking, so don't even judge my scrapbook like that because that's not cute to be all judgy and whatnot. But I bought this kit right here. Is that supposed to be like that? It's for a wax seal. This is on Amazon. It was probably like $30, I think. Let me see. Let's check. My phone is being super slow. Okay. The wax seal was $26.99. If you know you like to scrapbook or you want to give it a try or something, you know. This is for the candle. You put the candle inside of there, and then you have the little melts right here. Put it in this. Put it over the candle, and then we got a stamp. I think it comes with other stamps too. I'm not sure. But I bought some stamps for my job anyway, so I'm not even worried about all of that. What's this? Oh, okay. But yeah, this was something that I really did need, and I bought it because who's gonna check me? Period. Next! Okay, y'all. This right here is definitely for the channel. It is, you can't even like see the picture because they got the thing covering it. I wonder if I could take it off. Okay, whatever. But I got this shower head. And so this shower head has a filter in it to make sure that the water that I'm showering and bathing my body in and washing my hair is nice and healthy for the kid. And it's not like hard water, you know? It don't got none of that extra stuff in it. So I bought the filter. The filter was like another $30. So where we at now? We at like almost 60 something, you know? Okay. So the filter was $28.99. This is, I wanted to use it today too because I just finished washing my hair, but I was like, I don't got time. But this is, ooh, so there we go. That's the shower head. This is the filter. I read some comments on it and they were saying that their skin felt so much softer and their hair was so much softer after using this. And I think this is supposed to open, but I can't get it. Because you know what? I don't got time for that. That's for another day, okay? Just know it's supposed to help, okay? Now let me close that part. And what we got next. This is what I've been waiting for so long, y'all. And this cost the most money. Ooh. Yes, y'all. So by the name, you probably already know what this is finna be. Like, you already know what it is. I know you do. Why you not trying to open? Oh my God. Okay. Dang, you got some thick tape on here. My freaking box cutter can't even get it. This box thick, y'all. They was not playing. Oh, Jesus. Okay, there we go. Okay. This thing about bigger than me. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. How do I get this thing out? Wow. Okay, this is bigger than what I expected. I mean, I've seen some people use it on their channel and it did look pretty big, but I didn't think it was gonna be this big, honey. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. This was the most expensive thing that I got. It was $400. And it is a blow dryer. Okay, so you're supposed to put your hair inside of here and you just keep it in there, massage it a little bit, take it out, and it's supposed to be blow dry, baby. So I was waiting on this so I can try the Flexi Rod set again. Because remember before I told y'all I didn't feel like drying my hair, so I skipped that step. And that's why it was a fail. So I'm thinking this might help. This is what I had a meltdown with and bought. Let's see what will come like a little bag. Let's see what it looked like. Wow, this thing is huge. Definitely using this. Today is Sunday. I'm gonna use this on Saturday. Next, you know, the one coming up. The one coming up. Shut up, child. But I'm gonna use it then. Wow. I'm super excited to do this, y'all. Let me put this back in the box. Ah! Okay. Jesus, this thing is huge. Got a little weight to it too. Oh my God. Couldn't even get it back in the dang box. I'm gonna just have my boyfriend do that because I don't got time. I do not have time, y'all. Next! Okay. Honestly, I don't think. Babe, was this heavy? You think I could slide it to me? You think it, the thing?
That's heavy.
You don't think I could slide it towards me?
Try.
That feel like a challenge. What y'all think? Y'all think it's a challenge? Because I think it's a challenge.
Just know that stuff is bleeding on that dog.
No. The surprise is coming, y'all. We're just gonna do it like this. So this is a bookshelf, y'all. So I bought this bookshelf because I don't know if you watched that video or remember the video, but I was cleaning out all of my hair products, which are in my closet, and I was struggling so much because a lot of my products are kind of pushed to the back of the closet. So when I'm washing my hair on wash day, I'll open up the closet and literally only grab what's in front of me. So, whew, that was heavy, baby. I need to catch my breath. Whew. Okay, so I grabbed this right here, and it's a bookshelf, and I'm gonna put all of my hair products on there, and I'm gonna probably have it like sitting behind me from where I record, which is in my room. I'm in the living room, duh. But yeah, I'll probably have it behind me so you guys can see like my hair products. I'm gonna try to do something with that wall right there. So comment down below if you guys have any ideas of what I should put on the wall. Ooh, excuse me. Of what I should put on the wall, because I'm not sure. But I'm super excited. I might open this tonight, maybe tomorrow. And I'll probably do a video on that too. Like, I have all this stuff for me to do videos with, guys. Like, it's giving me content. You know? It's giving you content. Say it with me. Say content. Okay? Period. Love it. Yeah, it's kind of, it's a little heavy. I really don't feel like moving it. Oh, but I did have something else to say about it. I do feel like the two bottom ones right here, the two bottom shelves, they're really long. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I was thinking like maybe I could just order a couple more shelves, but I don't think it worked like that. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. All right, let's go get the next one. I don't want to ask for his help. Okay, next. It's not even in the camera. Okay, iceberg at Amazon. I got this. Ooh. I bought these nightstands. I got 2 of them. All right, so my camera ran out of storage. Sorry. Oh, now I gotta pick this thing back up. Oh, okay. So like I said, I bought 2 of these. These are nightstands because we still have, well, it's none of his stuff in it. It's my box. So I still have a box of clothes that I have not unpacked yet because I have nowhere to put it. Oh, I'll put this down. Because, well, I have nowhere to put it. So it's kind of just sitting on our nightstand, on the side of our beds right now. So I also ordered a dresser, which was like $140, I want to say. It didn't get here yet, but that was ordered. I'll probably put a picture up of that. And then I got these nightstands. They're gonna sit right there, and it's just gonna make the room look pretty, you know, because the room still don't look pretty. I needed to, it has to feel, you know, it has to feel like this is where I want to lay my head at night, you know. I actually don't think I ever showed you guys my apartment, so comment down below if that's something that you guys want to see. If you want to do like a little apartment tour, I don't know. But that's really everything that I got. This together was about $200. The bookshelf was about $100. Blow dryer $400. Then I also bought some clothes, which was the bag that you saw, but a part of it isn't here. It came in like 2 separate packages. So the other box to that did not show up yet, and that was about $200. I want to say, or like, no, I'm lying. It was like $125, I think. And then 20, what was it? 28 and 26. So yeah, it's a little bit over $1,000. $36.99 plus $38.99. Yeah. So it's about $1,000 that I spent, y'all. And I can't believe I just did that, but I did that. Ain't nothing that I could do about it because it's already done. It's already done. And I got videos of me opening up the door, and you could just see the packages in front of my house. And we have these lockers in our complex that we get like text messages to through our phone. Like, oh, well, you have you have a piece of mail in your locker. Da da da. Here's your passcode. Go in there. I have a picture of mail in there, and I'm just like, when did I order all of this stuff? Like, who am I? I don't know. But that is all I got for you guys today. Just know some content is coming. We got the blow dryer, the bookshelf, we got the shower head, we got some clothes. Like, I'm coming crazy, period. Just be ready for content. It's giving content. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. So make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, smack that subscribe button, smack that bell so you become part of the notification gang, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Just be true.